Wow.
You have your kit. The kit has fabric for ballerina head, body, legs, and arms. Tulle for the tutu, lace, ribbons, pearls, and the floral fabric. Let's make the pattern. Reinforce your sewing. This video is focused on the very last
Step.
the making the ballerina craft ragdoll, head, face painting, and the hair. Just a review of the pattern and showing you how to use the pattern and sew on the black line to help you stay in proportions. Your ballerina craft ragdoll is only 3 inches wide and 7 inches long. The last step to creating a beautiful craft ballerina topper: the head, face painting, the hair, and embellishments. Cut a slit in the center of the back. Fold the face in half and mark the center to cut the slit. This allows you to turn the fabric to right-sided. Smooth all edges in a circular motion. How trace your face onto the fabric? Use the tracing paper. Fabric markers, soft pastel crayons, and your makeup blush will help you create a whimsical look. Slow the video and watch Cynthia demonstrate how is measuring the head to the neck and adjusting for proportion. Mark your area on the neck area. Place the hot glue front side of the neck. Using the hot glue, be careful. Once you are sure, load more polyfill in the opening. Equal sides of stuffing. Stuff until you gain roundness in the back. Your front will be slightly flat. Cover the back with matching fabric. In other words, you are patching up the overstuffed back using hot glue. Don't worry, your ribbon hair will cover the patch. Enjoy being creative with the ribbon hairstyle. Hot glue. To secure the ribbon. Go wild. Remember, you are creating a whimsical ballerina ragdoll topper. With the scraps from the tool, make a scrunchie, hot glue it on the top, wrap ribbon around. Wow, wow. You get to be thrilled with your work. You now understand the head being last. Send me photos of your work. Thank you. Tybeeflowerragdolls.